They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This is my step. Fizzbuzz. Here's the description that they're asking for. Given an integer n, return a string array answer. One indexed where answer I equals Fizzbuzz if I is divisible by 3 and 5. Answer I equals Fizz if I is divisible by 3. Answer I equals Buzz if I is divisible by 5. Answer I equals I as a string if none of the above conditions are true. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get on with it. Right, gang. I've just maximized the code window here so we can see what we're doing. And let's begin, shall we? Let's start with an array, which we're going to return at the end of the solution. So that's an empty array. Oops. Right, that's an empty array. Next, we're going to need a loop for I in range. We're going to start at 1, and we're going to end at n plus 1. Remember that the range, if you have a range from 1 to 100, it will go to 99. So we always need one higher on a range. So, all right, this is a for loop, so we need the colon there. We need an empty string here, because we're going to append to it with our conditions. If I modulo 3 equals 0, that's if I is a multiple of 3 with I can be divided by 3 with no remainder. It's a multiple of 3. We're going to output. Right, output plus equals Fizz. I'm just for the speed, I'm gonna copy this. Paste it underneath. I equals 5. So we're testing for a multiple of 3 here, and a multiple of 5 here. So we want Fizz to be added to the string for a multiple of 3, 5 to be added to the string for a multiple of 5. And finally, for the loop, we just want to append to our array, don't we? So Fizzbuzz append. We want to append output if it's true, right? It will evaluate to true if it has characters in the string. If it's an empty string, it will be false. So we want to convert I to a string as well, because it asked for that in the instructions, didn't it? So once again, we've got an empty string. If I is a multiple of 3, we're going to add Fizz to the string. If it's a multiple of 5, we're going to add Buzz to the string. And then we append the string or a string of the I. And that's that for the loop. We just need to return the array at the end of the function now, don't we? Okay, that should work. Let's try the run. Accepted. Test case 1's accepted, 2's accepted, 3's accepted. There we go.